So I have Luca here with me, and she said that she wanted to film in our dressing room today, so that's what we did. So we are in the dressing room, kind of mixing it up a little bit from our regular filming spot. So she just wanted to say hi, and let's get started with the video. Sleepy puppy. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share with you another Louis Vuitton unboxing. And as you can see, this one is a little bit smaller than what I usually do, but nonetheless, I am just as excited to start using this piece and get into it and everything. So let's go ahead and get started here. So inside, I have the little box here. Get rid of the bag. And I actually had a piece similar to this on my wish list, but I ended up getting something slightly different. It's essentially the same thing, but different. So let's get into it and I will show you what it is. So here we have the dust bag. And then inside, I got the zippy multi-card. Now I know on my wish list I put on there that I really wanted just the standard card holder, but for just a little bit more I was able to get this one. And what I really love about this one is the fuchsia interior. The card holders just have a brown, kind of like a brown leather interior, and this one has the fuchsia. And so I really love pinks and the monogram, so I'm obsessed with like the rose ballerine and the monogram, or the fuchsia and the monogram. So I could not pass up getting a fuchsia or kind of a pinky color with the monogram here to hold all of my cards. And for just a little bit more, this one holds a ton of cards. Like, look at how wide that expands. That is huge. And I think this one, they were saying it held like 15 to 20 cards or something. So I can't wait to try this out. I'm going to see how many cards it holds, and after I've tried it out and started using it for a while, I'll definitely do a review and let you know, because that's my biggest question. I want a card holder. When I'm looking for a large card holder like this, I want to know how many cards it holds, or what all items or what other uses I can have for this. So that's why I really enjoy doing those videos. And so once I get a chance to use this, see how it works for my lifestyle, I will definitely do that as well. But let me just kind of give you a quick run through as to what this entails. So I'll get that zipped back up here. So here is the front side. So you see the monogram is facing up, and it is one piece, so it just wraps around here. And that is why, if you look at it like that, monogram up, but on the back side the monogram is upside down, because it's just the one piece of canvas. And then you do have the fabric lining here with the gold zipper. It does have a little pull tab, and this is a leather piece. And then it just unzips on those three sides and opens up into the accordion style on both sides. Again, you're going to have the gold hardware inside, and there are, let's see here, there's 1 slot, 2 slots, 3 slots, 4 slots, 5 slots inside, and technically 4 dividers. The dividers unfortunately do not go all the way down, so if you were to put change or something in here, it may slip underneath and go to some of the other spaces. But so far that is the only thing that I can tell that may be a con with this piece. Other than that, I have heard just rave reviews, and so when I had a chance to go and take a look at it, I was really excited. I fell in love with it. The color sold me on it. If it was in any other color, I probably wouldn't have gotten it. But since it was in this color and held all of the cards, it was just what I was looking for, so that's why I went ahead and got this piece. So I really hope that you enjoyed this quick unboxing and mini review, and once I get a chance to use it a lot, I will definitely give you an update. If you do have any specific questions on it that you'd like me to include in the review, just leave me a comment down below and I will be sure to put that in there, or if I can answer any in the comment section, I will do that as well for you, just in case you don't want to wait. If you did like this video and you want to see more like this with unboxings and mini reviews, definitely give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, be sure to hit the subscribe button so that way you are notified every time I make a new video, which is 2 to 3 times a week. And until next time, thanks for stopping by.